हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। मेरा नाम वंश त्रिपाठी है। मेरे चैनल जूनियर इंग्लिश 1 में आपका स्वागत है। आज की वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक है वर्ब। दोस्तों, क्या आपको पता है वर्ब क्या होता है? अगर नहीं पता है तो मैं बताता हूँ। अ वर्ब इज अ एक्शन वर्ड। इट शोज एक्शन। दोस्तों, वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना। अब मैं ले चलता हूँ आपको अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। दोस्तों, मैं आ गया हूँ अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। In today's video, we will learn verb. A verb is a word that tells what someone or something is doing. First sentence is the boy is running. दोस्तों, आपको पता है इस सेंटेंस में वर्ब क्या है? रनिंग। सभी सेंटेंसेस में मैंने वर्ब नीचे मेंशन किया है। She is dancing. They are playing. He is reading. The cat is sleeping. I am writing. We are eating. The sun is shining. You are talking. The dog is barking. The boy ran fast. She wrote a letter. They played football. He read a book. I ate an apple. We watched a movie. The cat slept on the bed. You sang a song. She drew a picture. He jumped high. The girl is singing. He is drawing. They are jumping. I am reading a story. We are cooking. The dog is running. She is painting. The boy is swimming. I am cleaning my room. They are listening to music. He climbed the tree. She baked a cake. We visited the park. The bird flew high. I found my pencil. They cleaned the classroom. He caught the ball. She helped her friend. We danced at the party. The boy will run. She will sing a song. They will play cricket. I will read a book. We will visit to the zoo. He will draw a picture. The cat will sleep. She will cook dinner. The boy will jump. I will write a letter. They will travel to school. He will help his friend. She will paint a wall. We will clean the garden. The dog will bark loudly. I will eat an orange. They will swim in the pool. He will read a story. She will teach the children. We will play in the park. The boy is happy. She is tired. They are excited. I am hungry. We are ready. He is sad. The sky is blue. The flowers are beautiful. The baby is crying. She is laughing. I was playing. He was reading. They were dancing. She was cooking. We were singing. The dog was barking. I have eaten. She has written a letter. They have finished homework. He has played football. The boy will be running. She will be singing. They will be playing. I will be reading. We will be eating. He can swim. She can draw. They should study. I must write. We may go to park. The sun rises. The moon shines. The dog is very friendly. She seems happy. He became a teacher. I felt cold. They looked tired. She appeared late. The boy has been studying. We have been playing. Thank you friends. If you like this video, so like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye friends.